it's Dave, the unemployed 3D inventor guy again. My last video I showed you how to import a 2D DXF into Inventor really quickly, and the problem with that is it doesn't constrain the part, so you can't really do anything with it. It's just a dumb part, can't fix it, do anything. It's really easier to start with sheet metal from the beginning, and then you can do stuff with it. So I'm going to quickly show you how to make a sheet metal part. Click on sheet metal. We're going to create a sketch. We're going to create a 2D sketch. I'm going to make it on this plane. There's the YZ plane, the XZ plane, and then the XY plane. So I'm going to pick the XY plane, so we'll be looking like what the front view would be. I'm going to start with a rectangle. Come in and grab this one that has the center point for the rectangle. Now it's constrained to the center, and whenever you see these green lines, we need to make them look blue. So I'm going to make a part that is 36. And then as you can see, it kind of expanded both of them relative to what that size was. I'm going to make a 36 by 36 starting piece. You can come over here and click on that dimension so it'll pick it up. A lot of things you can do with this right now. I'm going to just try to go through and show a quick basic function. I'll come back with another video to do more. So we've got a 36 by 36 inch piece. We want to make it into sheet metal. So we're going to have to go to the face command. Your sheet metal defaults here will let you change the different thicknesses. Right now we're going to use 059, 16 gauge stainless steel. So I'm going to put the face command. It knows that's the only place it could go. Apply. So now we basically have the base part of our sheet metal component. One of the things I like to try to do is in the view here, go to visual styles, take the shaded with edges. You can kind of see the part a little bit better. The guy who taught me how to do this, Clint, kind of gave me that idea. So the next part I want to do is I want to have 3-inch flanges coming up all the way around. So we're going to go into the flange command, and you can grab either side of it. You can grab the back side, the flange will go down, or the top side, the flange will come up. We want to come up towards us. So I'm going to grab the top part. I want to come in here and make this 3 inches. And the bend radius, that's something that's up to your shop. I'm going to use a 32nd radius. There's other functions that are inside of here. One of the things that's most important is in the corner. We'll see right now why this will become important, because we want to make nice, sharp, tight corners. So we've picked that. So now I'm going to pick this one too. So they've come up right here, and as you can see right now, I'm trying to get in here with a really nice, tight corner. So we're going to take a 0.001 gap size. We're going to select all 3 sizes, then do apply. So again, if we come in here, you can see nice, tight corners, good for welding. I'm going to go and make a flat of the part. So we're going to come to our front view. Going to come to our front view and make a flat pattern, and you can see nice tight corners, good for the welders and the brake guy. Go back to the folded part. I kind of like to look at it in this, for you guys to see it in this kind of 3D isometric size. Now I'm going to go and I'm going to put some flanges around the outside. I'm going to put 1.250 flanges. And now this time I'm going to have them bend towards us. Go select edges. And as you can see, we have this command, which is very important to have it on, apply auto mitering. So it's come up with a nice, good bend right there. And we'll do apply. And then the last part of this box that we're going to have is we're going to have a return flange on the outside. We're going to make it a 1/2 inch return flange. So I'm going to pick the far side. So if I pick the top, it would come up towards us. I'm going to pick the bottom, so it'll go away from us. The bottom, so it goes away from us. And when you're looking here, you don't really have to rotate it around. You can kind of see how the white line goes. Here's it on the top. There's it on the bottom. Here it's on the top. Top, bottom. And if you guys are picking up on that little part right there. Let me zoom in a little bit more. So top, bottom. Say apply. And so we basically have a panel that would have a box bottom to it with the return flange at the top. We'll go to the flat pattern. See how the notching comes out very nice, good, sharp parts. And we'll save it. And we'll do the drawing next. Thanks.